whipped cream and buttercream. Bigger size, smaller sizes. I made a lot of cupcakes. Hi Barbie dolls! I'm just a Barbie lover in my studio. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing pink food cooking. So today I'm making another pink cupcakes. I know I've done pink cupcakes a couple times on my channel, but today I'm doing a little different method, and also I'm trying with buttercream and whipped cream both. I also got cute pink baking cups from IKEA, so I just wanted to use them. And I have this strawberry cake mix with me today. So yeah, I'm cheating. I'm using this one. I'm so hungry already. I cannot wait to have pink tea time. So let's start. So today I really wanted to try this silicone pink cupcake mold from IKEA. They look just so cute. So yeah, I just wanted to use this. That's the reason why I'm doing pink food cooking today. I'm kinda lazy today, so I'm just using super moist strawberry cake mix. Here's a bowl. Cake mix. Water. Vegetable oil. And eggs. And then beat with medium speed. So it's already pink, but I want to make it even pinker. And you can totally go with this, but it's optional because I'm using food color a little bit, tiny bit today. Just a tiny bit to make the color even pinker. Okay, I want to try different kinds. So today I wanted to try 3 different kinds. Some strawberries. Well, I'm using frozen one. So I put these frozen strawberries into microwave a little bit. Fresh strawberries I chop. These are thawed frozen strawberries. Put some sugar. I mash them. This one is almost like strawberry sauce. I had dried cranberries. How about this? And let's put batter into the cup. Like this much, maybe? Because I'm sure it will raise. Okay, now they're ready, and let me put into the oven. And here I still have a whole bunch of batter. I'm gonna put into smaller baking cups that I always use. Now I put my baking stuff in my Barbie Kabuto case. This one. I really like this kind of baking cups. It's small, so always the baking time is shorter. Ah! Oh my gosh. It started smelling really good. Oh my gosh, I was watching Barbie's music video and I totally forgot. Oh my gosh. Now they are frothing. Yay! Like cartoon cupcake look. And I'll bake even more. The little one. I won't forget this time. Okay, another one is ready. Woo! Looking good. Today I want to try buttercream. And let me put some beet powder. I don't know how much I need. Now I put powdered sugar and milk. I mix a little by little. Ooh, actually, it looks pinker now. It's really interesting. Ooh, the color looks so pretty. Pretty color, pink buttercream. Now I'm gonna put in piping bag. Oh my god. Doesn't look cute. It looks horrible. Let me try one. Yeah, look better. Now I'm getting better. You know what? I'm redoing this one. I removed the cream, so now I'm gonna redo it because I think I can do better now. Ah! Yeah, better. Alright, okay, now I'm gonna put some topping. The big one, I really want to put this one. Wow. Ah, cute! Wow, it looks like perfect cupcake. And one is another sprinkle. The most fun part. And glitter sugar. Cutest cupcakes. Buttercream, pink cupcake. Now I wanna make pink whipped cream. You know what? Usually when I make pink whipped cream, I put raspberry jam. Oh my gosh, unfortunately I'm running out of raspberry jam today. So I know you guys don't love it, but I have to use food color today. I'm sorry. And a little bit of sugar. So now I put pink whipped cream. This piping bag is a pretty small one, so hard to put. Now I put too much. Yay! Oh yeah, getting better. Yay! Did it. I wanna fix this one. This one looks horrible. Okay, now look cute. Cute! Yay! Whipped cream one. Oh my gosh, they turned out really good. Are you ready to see it? Ta-da! The big one. So I did whipped cream and buttercream. Bigger size and smaller sizes. I made a lot of cupcakes, seriously. And you know what? I was gonna eat the smaller one because I wanted to keep the big one. But remember, I put real strawberries on the bottom for big one. So I feel like I have to try a big one, don't you think? So for whipped cream, since I didn't have raspberry jam today, so I had to put food color in it. But for buttercream one, I used beet powder to color. I'm not eating this every day, so don't worry about my health. I'm so excited. And today I also made strawberry milk. It's not really smoothie, it's just strawberries and milk because I had some strawberries left after making cupcakes. So yeah, I made strawberry milk. And I didn't put any sugar here because I'm already taking some sugar. See? Like that. I'm always taking good balance. That's my diet. I eat dessert a lot. So like for my drink, I don't put sugar. So let me try this first. Itadakimasu. Tastes so fresh, so yummy. I'll try this one. This color of cup, I put frozen strawberries with sugar. So it looks like strawberry sauce. せーの、いただきます。Super cute. Super cute. So this silicone mold from IKEA, because it's silicone, so you can reuse them. Ah! Inside. Super cute pink. Ah! I mean, I cheated. I used cake mix, but still, it's so good. And I'm touching the strawberries part. So yummy. So good. because I put a lot of strawberries, so even with one whole cupcake, it's still light. 美味しい。めっちゃ美味しい。I can totally finish this. I have to try whipped cream one. Let me try a little one. The little one is still cute. I love bacon small one because shorter bacon time and they just look so cute. 美味しい。ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie Day. Bye.